What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are taking a look at the Bitcoin price on the daily. We're just about to break the $40,500 range. Are we going to manage to close a daily candle before the end of the week above this area and start becoming full bull mode? Are we going to get a massive rejection and come all the way back down to the 34K levels approximately? I'm going to give you my opinion in this episode. We are taking a look also at BTC on the 30-minute chart because we did come all the way down here, got a massive bounce. I was a little bit cautious thinking that we might get another leg down here because there was volume. This candle retracement was pretty aggressive, but we finally came all the way here to do a double top. So if you did manage to get this trade over here, buy over here and sell a trade here at $40,000 as a double top, congratulations. This was mentioned on before yesterday's video, but yesterday I did say, you know, I was very cautious because of this massive drop with the volume. I want to see the volume drying out here nicely. So yeah, I actually did not place a trade. I placed a trade here on Ethereum. I placed a short right over here around these levels, and I was in negative here for a few hours and then exited at a small profit because this is very difficult. We have a massive pump, green candle, the trend is been going up here on the 1 hourly chart also, and we have this retracement. So you do not know if it's going to be bullish or bearish here in the next coming hours and days, but I'm going to give you my scenario in this episode. It looks like that we are forming like an ascending channel, ascending wedge. So we're going to take a look at the potential targets from the breakout in this episode. For experienced trader, PrimeXbt has got the best bonus available by using my link in the description. You're getting 50% added to your deposit by using Bitcoinsensus 50 as the promotion code. You cannot withdraw the bonus. It is used for buying power. I explain all of this in the tutorial of PrimeXbt in the description. Said this, let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Today I'm going to do a live stream at 3 o'clock Central European time. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say, and if you do so, do your own research. Let's dive in straight into the chart. Right, taking a look at this daily chart. Right, we've been mentioning this before on the channel. We are at critical level at the $40,000 range. Okay, we need to have a nice clear breakout here, nice daily candle going all the way to the $44,000. Okay, not 41, not 42. This could be easily a fake out, and we'll be having a huge retracement after this massive pump. It is very likely that we might have some type of retracement. Okay, we're gonna take a look at some different levels. As soon as we break 40,500, okay, with a nice daily candle, we are going to see this next major resistance from this downtrend from these lower highs, all-time high and the $60,000 lower high right over here. All right, and as soon as we hit this resistance, we are going to start bouncing in between support and resistance. We might be creating a kind of descending triangle from here. This is a potential scenario, okay, just by looking at the next resistance and support levels as soon as we break 40,500. But if we break this to the upside, then this is when I'm going to turn full bull mode here for Bitcoin. We're definitely going to get, in my opinion, a nice support around this resistance and start continuing to the upside. But we are going to take a look at this in the next coming weeks. It is still very soon. We might get a massive rejection here and come all the way down to the 34K levels right over here. So this is something also that we are going to pay attention until we break this resistance. Then it is still going to be looking a little bit bearish. The trend is down here still on the daily. We're just getting some type of relief rally. There is some good news now, there's some bad news, but we'll be taking a look at this here in the next coming weeks, no problem. Let's take a quick look here at BTC, and just a quick reminder, I am doing a live stream at 3 o'clock Central European time to see if we can find any trading opportunities together. We'll be taking a look at some different cryptocurrencies also, so make sure to hit that notification bell. Now taking a look at BTC, because remember yesterday we were talking about this massive pump hitting the $40,500, getting rejection. We did call this $36,500 major support, which is the peak here from this channel that we started, all right, all the way back at the beginning, late June, early July here when we started this channel. We got a bounce here nicely. It was major resistance like I showed you on yesterday's video. Now what we need to see here, that we might be potentially forming a double top scenario. We got a top there and a top right over here. We do have a clear support range, so if we do come all the way back down here to the 36,500 and we break this level, $36,500 breaking, okay, with some major volume, I do believe so that our next major stop is the $34,500 range, okay, which has been the next major resistance by looking here at the chart. Okay, it's been resistance right over here, and it's also been resistance here, as you can see from this descending channel. So yeah, this would be our next stop if we do break 36,500 aggressively with some volume. But until then, this might not be a double top. We are just retesting, and we may be finally going to break this major resistance that we're all waiting for. Okay, this is a key level to break here for Bitcoin, but if we do break it, I wouldn't be longing this just yet. We want to see some confirmation, nice breakout, coming in and retest, you know, coming back up, and then we can potentially look for some long opportunities, because this might be a massive candle and might come straight back in here to catch a lot of people waiting to place some longs after this breakout. So we're gonna take a look at this scenario on the live stream, so make sure to hit the notification bell here for BTC. And also we're taking a look at Ethereum right now, because Ethereum, I did place a short order. We did see this massive red candle with this volume. There are some different exchanges that don't have this massive candle. I like to use Bybit because we can see a lot of volume there, but there are some other exchanges like Binance or Coinbase that don't have that much volume here on this retracement. Now I did place a short order right over here around these levels, okay, and then I was a little bit in negative, and then I exited here at a profit, because I mean the market is looking quite bullish. This was a pretty aggressive short just by looking at this candle and this volume from this retracement. Now it does seem like that we are forming like an ascending wedge or ascending channel. This is a bearish pattern, okay, but we could easily break here to the upside. We do know that the $2,400 is a super major resistance. As soon as we have a clear breakout with volume going to the $2,500 range, then this is going to be looking very bullish for Ethereum. We might be able to place a swing trade here for Ethereum. So we'll be taking a look at this scenario here on the live stream also, as soon as I have my computer that is much faster. And now the scenario here for this potential breakout of this ascending wedge or ascending channel, if you wish, well, the measured move is the width here from the back here of this ascending wedge or the ascending channel, and from the breakout, you know, we could have a retest here at the 2,480, and this could be easily a fake out area and still come back in here for Ethereum below the 2,400. We've got to be super cautious, okay? A lot of people trying to short this mega pump, okay, but we even might be going higher in the next coming hours and days. Now if we do break this major support to the downside, well, anyway, this is an ascending wedge, if you wish. The target is all the way down here from the wedge, as you can see from the width of the back of the wedge or the channel, if you wish. Then this would take us all the way down to the $2,150. So this would be a major scalp if we do come right over here and have a breakout and a test. Then obviously we will be coming back down here to the $2,150 range. This would be the impulsive move from this trade right over here. This is going to be it for this quick update. If you haven't checked out the Bitcoinsensus website, make sure to check it out. We've got the latest technical analysis and news totally free. The link is in the description. And if you haven't seen my PrimeXbt or my Bybit tutorial to learn how to trade on those platforms, video on the screen right now. And I will see you later on the live stream.